about how many kids got separated. It is hard to keep track of how many kids been in cages, not to mention the kids who are in cages, they are being sprayed with chemicals daily. But for sure, U.S. loses track of another 1,500 migrant children. The problem is family separation and children are being put in cages like animals. Imagine if this was your family or love's close friends. Let Hispanic voices be heard, stand up for your rights, and vote if you can.
There are a lot of people getting separated and getting deported from their families. Did you know that at least 400,000 people get deported each year? Do you wonder sometimes if there could be a way to fix it? Now there is. Introducing the Reportation spray. The Reportation spray gives immigrants documents so that they can't get deported or separated from their families. Stop right there, Steve. You have no documents. Oh no. What do I do now? No worries, the Reportation spray is here to help. Just spray the Reportation spray on you and you'll get your documents. Okay. Now I have my documents. Now you can't get deported anymore. Let me take a look at those documents. Wow, you actually have documents now. Yup, thanks to the Reportation spray. If you want to prevent people from getting deported, make sure you call your representatives and tell them that you demand they stop deporting immigrants.